Okay, traders, market did lose its direction here. I'm done for the day, traders. You can see how my account looks right here. I've got a nice winner in TWLO. Roku was a great winner. Tesla was very nice, although my second trade took me down a bit. SPCE, I had two trades, one a loser, second one took me to green territory, and two very unpleasant losers in NVIDIA, down more than 10 grand in NVIDIA. But the end result is good. I'm up 6 grand and doing good for Monday, although it was quite difficult. Let's talk a little bit about why it was difficult today. And it all has to do with the market. Look at the S&P 500 today. We started with a huge gap down, like 3%, approximately 3%, then moved up. At that point we were down 2.5%, and then I was expecting a pullback. So the first pullback didn't really make it, and then we spiked over to a new high. You can see here this topping tail. So that was the time where I started shorting some stocks because I was expecting the market to pull back, but it did not. So I had several losers, two losers, I can't remember. I think NVIDIA was my first loser then, and and SPCE. So I had two losers, if I remember correctly, with NVIDIA and SPCE. And if you take a look at those charts, you can see here, let's move here to 5-minute candles in SPCE. So you can see that I thought it's going to come down, but it spiked over the highs. That was my first wrong move when I thought the market's going to come down. Then the second one worked out fine, and that's, not that great, but enough to put me back to green territory. So market continued to going sideways, did not continue higher. Tried to move again over the highs and failed. At that point, once it failed once more, that was the point where I started shorting again. And again, when the market is down 3%, you just don't know what to expect, whether it's going to come down under the lows to a move of more than 3% down, not very likely. Move up, when it's down that much, it usually just goes sideways. So the best bet was it's going to pull back. How far? I don't know. Yes, I can short at that pullback, and no, I don't know what's coming next. I started today by saying when we started our trading session, it's going to be, in my opinion, a hard day. I didn't know what to expect. I did find some stocks that behaved better than other, like Tesla here, which was a nice winner, TWLO. And again, I'm not going to go through them, but I only played the pullback, and the pullback was according to the market. So really, back to basics. Tesla looked a bit less strong than the other stocks that were moving higher, and so did TWLO and Roku, which was a very nice winner. But again, it was really just going with the market, looking at the market, trying to anticipate when the market's going to come down. Wrong for the first time, right for the second time. Move to green territory after the second move, which was a bit, which was quite enough. So I'm gonna finish my day in green territory, but this wasn't an easy day to trade with. I mean, when the market starts with a huge big gap down this way, it's very hard to anticipate the next move. So right now, market really going sideways, and I don't see any reason why I should risk my hard-earned 6,000 grand. So that's it for me, traders. I'll see you all tomorrow, and enjoy the rest of your trading session. Have fun and be careful. It's a hard day to trade.
Thank you for watching our video. Before you go, we invite you to join the Tradenet trading team. Our professional analysts will teach you how you can trade stocks from your own home without risking your own money. Click here to learn more about our funded accounts program. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can view many more stock trading videos. Questions or comments, please submit them below.